I want to go across to Vivek Agnihotri first. He's also called Kangana without naming her a half-educated starlet and saying that this entire conversation around a movie mafia is complete rubbish and that there is no outsider versus insider in Bollywood. Opening comments from Vivek Agnihotri.
Rahul, I have deep respect for the art and the craft of Naseer Bhai. I recently did a film with him. He's one of the best actors we have produced. I never cared about how educated he is. And going by his logic, I just want to first demolish that logic. The thing is, how does it matter how educated Mozart was? And number two, for dissent, what kind of education do you need? In fact, I remember correctly, all these people during the during the award Vapsi campaign, during the intolerance campaign, and even till now during CAA, all these people were saying that in India there is no room for dissent. Now Kangana, it's her dissent against the establishment. If we go by Naseer Bhai's logic, I'm just going pure academic. If we go by his logic, then all the roles he has played in his movies have been always about somebody who's oppressed and raises his voice against the oppressed. And he has played a village man, rickshawala, and those kind of characters. Then we should not take his characters seriously. He shouldn't have played those characters. He should have requested the directors to first educate him, get him PhD, and then only play those.
Saira Shah Halim, does this not sound very classist, very elitist to call someone a half-educated starlet? I mean, this is Kangana's point of view. It's her prerogative, it's her right, it's her freedom of expression. Surely she's entitled to it.
Yes,
okay.
Rahul,
so Rahul,
Saira.
Definitely, Rahul, definitely she's entitled to her views. I mean, it's a free country, it's a free democracy. Every person is absolutely free to air their point of view. Now, how does she know, right, that Naseer Saab meant that it was her? I mean, does this suit her description, or does she imagine that she is that assumed half-educated starlet? Firstly, Mr. Shah has not named anyone. Let me be very categoric here. He's not named anyone here. And let me also say this, let me just iterate this once again, that the epicenter of Bollywood does not begin and end with Kangana. And her rants against fellow colleagues is getting tiresome. Initially, I'll tell you what, when she had this feud with Hrithik Roshan on your channel itself, I was supporting Kangana and on a whole lot of other media channels. However, her voice is not unique anymore because it's getting jarring now. She is bad-mouthing, slamming all and sundry in Bollywood, starting from Mr. Mahesh Bhatt, who actually gave her the opportunity in the beginning when she was a struggler. Then who gives her the right to call other actresses C grade or D grade?
Okay,
I mean,
so Vivek Agnihotri,
is she Queen Cleopatra?
you make the point that you want about freedom of speech, which is fine, and then you start dissing other actresses like Taapsee, like Swara, calling them C grade. That's not fair either.
See, listen, this is a political fight, first of all. It's not a personal fight. Here, the whole thing is about against the establishment. Now, the same people, what this lady was saying, I have heard her on television news channels all the time speaking against the establishment. They never stop speaking against the establishment. Now, this entire mafia or gang, which I know for sure is there, now they are so powerful that you have to really amplify. And how will you talk otherwise? When there's a political opinion from some actors and actresses, you have to take their name and speak against them. Nobody speaks about people who are not involved in the politics. It's only against the people who are always there, available. They have political opinion. That's what I have been fighting for so long. And what these people do is then they start running campaigns against you. They are so powerful. Why tell me millions? And for last 2 months, Sushant Singh Rajput's case has been trending on 5-6 things. Today, everybody is supposed to speak about it. Why? Even the common people can see it, that what kind of elitist, classist mafia this is.